Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix a very common problem on HP color laser printers, the double line or ghosting issue. This problem is very frequent on the HP Color Laser 150A, HP Color Laser MFP 178NW and HP Color Laser MFP 179 FTW models. As you can see in this printer test page, the text riser computer is printing twice with a shadow effect. This is called ghosting or double printing. The text and images appear faded and repeated. Most of the time, this happens because of dirt and waste toner buildup on the drum unit. The good news is that in about 90% of cases, this problem can be fixed simply by cleaning the drum unit properly. You don't need to buy anything expensive. However, if cleaning doesn't solve the issue, then you may need to replace the drum unit with a new one. I will put the link for the compatible new drum unit in the video description below. Now let me show you the complete step-by-step cleaning process. First, open the front door of your printer. Carefully remove all the toner cartridges one by one and set them aside safely. Next, remove the waste toner tank and keep it to one side. Now gently pull out the drum unit from the printer. Inside the drum unit, you will see a long metal rod with locks on both ends. Unlock both sides carefully and pull the rod out. Then remove the main drum roller and set it aside. You will also find a smaller roller inside. Safety tip: when there is a lot of waste toner, it's better to clean everything outside in a well-ventilated area. I recommend wearing a mask and hand gloves while handling toner dust. Even though I didn't wear gloves during recording, it's always safer to use them. Now take a clean tissue or lint-free cloth and thoroughly clean the small roller from all sides. After that, gently clean the main drum roller with a soft tissue. Wipe it carefully in a circular motion. Do not press too hard and avoid touching the drum surface with your bare fingers. Once both rollers are clean, reassemble the drum unit. Put the main drum roller back, insert the metal rod and lock both ends properly. Now slide the clean drum unit back into the printer. Reinstall the waste toner tank in its place. Then put all the toner cartridges back one by one, making sure they are properly seated. Finally, close the front door of the printer. So if you're facing the same double printing or ghosting issue on your HP Color Laser 150A, MFP 178NW or MFP 179 FTW printer, try this cleaning method first. If the problem still continues after cleaning, then you probably need to replace the drum unit. I have added the purchase link for the compatible drum unit in the video description. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful printer repair tutorials. Comment below and tell me, did cleaning the drum fix your problem or did you need to replace the drum unit? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.